Hi everyone, I am Roshni and you're watching Property Cloud. Today we are going to talk about a ready-to-move premium residential project in North Bangalore's Devanahalli location. The project is called Park Cubics Phase 1 by Salarpuria Satwa, and in this video we will cover the project overview, location advantages, amenities, pricing, booking offers and much more. So let's start with a quick overview of the project. Park Cubics Phase 1 is a large-scale, ready-to-move residential township which is spread across approximately 18 acres in Devanahalli, North Bangalore. The project is designed to combine modern urban living with a greenery, offering around 79% open landscape space and a complete community lifestyle experience. And this project features total 3 residential towers with a ground plus 14 floors and around 1,620 apartments. The homes are ready to move in, which is a big advantage for buyers. The project also offers great connectivity, like Devanahalli Town Circle is just approx 3 minutes away. Akash International School and Hospital is just 5 minutes away. Kempegowda International Airport is just 15 minutes away, and KIADB Aerospace and Business Park is just 20 minutes away, and Manyata Tech Park, Kirloskar Tech Park is just 25 minutes away. Devanahalli is considered a high potential location for both long-term appreciation and future rental demand. And now coming to the amenities and lifestyle part, so Park Cubics offers more than 50 lifestyle amenities designed around comfort, wellness and community living. The project offers you 2 grand clubhouse, gold lift and crystal, swimming pool for family, ladies and kids, fully equipped gym, indoor badminton and squash court and much more. The overall concept here is to create a complete live, work and relax lifestyle where daily convenience and recreational spaces are available within the township itself. And now let's understand the pricing and configuration. So phase 1 offers ready to move apartments, the 2.5 and 3 BHK homes starting with a carpet area of 1,273 square feet and the price starting from 97.97 lakh rupees onwards. And the phase 2, which is under development, which offers apartment with a carpet area of 449 square feet to 1,702 square feet and the starting price is 38 lakh rupees onwards. This makes the project suitable for both budget buyers and premium home buyers with a multiple configuration and pricing options available. And now talking about the booking process, so it is simple and transparent. Booking amount is 5% of the agreement value and the flexible construction link payment plan is also available. Bank loan assistance is also available, and ready to move inventory in North Bangalore is becoming increasingly limited, especially in fast growing location like Devanahalli. For brochure, latest pricing detail, floor plans, payment plans, or to schedule a site visit, you can check the link in the description. And if you enjoy such premium property videos, then don't forget to subscribe to Property Cloud. Property Cloud is a PropTech company which directly connects you with the developers for simplifying your home buying process. It also gives you benefits like spot discount, zero brokerage, free pickup and drop services and much more.